Hi guys, this is Jardine and welcome to my channel. And on this video, we're going to cook chicken and prawn fried rice. Who doesn't like fried rice? No one, right? Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna share with you this yummy fried rice that I have been cooking for the family for quite some time. So I'm so excited and hope you like it. And please, before anything else, please do like and share this video and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Thank you so much guys. These are the ingredients that we needed for our fried rice. So we have anchovy, spring onion, we have celery, which is optional, we have onion, we have garlic. They are all chopped, guys. And this is capsicum or bell pepper. This is prawns, and we also have chicken. Yeah, it's already sliced. We have egg, we have the beans, carrot. So I use fresh because I ran out of frozen mixed veggies. Okay, so but you can use frozen mixed veggies to make it quicker, you see. So if it's available. Okay, so that's it. So those are the ingredients. Plus we need sauce. So we have soy sauce here, we have fish sauce, we have oyster sauce, sesame oil, we have black pepper, and we have jam. I have apricot jam, but if you don't have any jam, you can use sugar. Okay, this is just to balance the taste, the saltiness of your dish. Okay, so those are the ingredients that we needed for our yummy fried rice. But also don't forget, we need cooked rice. So I use basmati rice and mixed it with jasmine rice also. So ang gagawin natin ngayon guys is we have to scramble the egg. Okay, put a little bit of oil to it. I use 4 eggs, but it depends. But actually for me guys, I love to put a lot more of egg. So normally I mix about 5 to 6 eggs. I don't know, I just love eggs. So that's it, it's ready. It's ready. Cooking fried rice, so we have to pre-cook everything. So all the ingredients we needed to be pre-cooked. I have butter, but it's up to you to use oil. So that's it. And we have to put the chicken. It's optional if you wanted to put salt, but I love to put salt just to taste. So we add the prawns. Since we have fresh vegetable, we have to pre-cook them also. You can pre-cook them separately, but what I do is I just mix them all together while I'm pre-cooking this meat. I'm going to add the beans and the carrot. Yep. So we're going to pre-cook them. What I'm doing is the hard way. This is the hard way of cooking it. No, it's not a hard way, but it just takes time. So this one takes time. But you can use microwave to pre-cook the vegetable. But what I like about this is that mixing the vegetable into the meat gives flavor. So yeah, all the goodies is in there. They mixed it all together, so which is really yum. So that's all guys. This is already pre-cooked. You can tell it's already soft and it's good to put it aside. Okay, if you don't have butter, you can use oil. So now we're going to saute the vegetable. First is the onion. So that's good to go, and we're gonna put the garlic and at the same time the capsicum or bell pepper. You can also add the anchovy also. So I've got anchovy and this is just optional. Okay? Add the celery. So we'll add the celery. Celery is also optional. If it's just available, then you can use it. next we have to put the black pepper. So this time I'm going to put all the sauce. So we have to start with soy sauce. Quite a lot. But it depends with you guys if you like to put a lot of soy sauce. But that one, that's a fish sauce, just a little bit, just to taste. And we have oyster sauce here. So what I do is, the reason why I put all this sauce first, I don't put it together with all the ingredients, it's because I'm going to reduce the liquid so our fried rice is not soggy. We have to reduce the liquid until, you know, it's a bit sticky, a little bit sticky. I have here jam. So this is apricot jam, but you know, just put around like half a teaspoon. Okay, this is to balance the saltiness of your sauce. But I told you already that if you don't have jam at home, if jam is not available, then you just use sugar. Sugar will do the trick. Okay guys, so that's it, and we have to taste if it's good, and it's yum. So it's good. So what we're going to do now is we are going to put the meat, and next is the egg. This is the scrambled egg. So the reason that I do this first before the rice, it's because all these ingredients here, the egg and the meat with the vegetable, it absorbs all those liquid. So it absorbs all the liquid rather than the rice that absorbed it first. The liquid's already been absorbed a little bit. So next is, this is the time we're going to add the rice. So this rice, this is 2 cups. It's quite a lot. You can actually feed your whole family with this one. So all you have to do is just mix them all together. Yeah, just that one. As simple as that. So ganito lang guys, just mix. Yeah, to incorporate all the sauce into the rice. So this time you can put the sesame oil. Not a lot, just to taste sesame oil. We can put our spring onion. Yeah. All right. And add the spring onion. This is ready. So we can sprinkle. I didn't put all my spring onion because we can garnish that also to make that one a lot prettier. So as you can see, we've got the fried rice. Yummy chicken and prawn fried rice. Yummy. Very, very, very yummy. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that video that we shared today. And please do keep yourself safe. Stay safe all the time guys, and God bless us all. Thank you.